सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.3 problem number 9. Let us see the question. This is the given question. In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Then find the values of x and y. So here with the given figure we have to find the x and y values, and given these arrow line segments are parallel. Okay, if these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal as well as this is also a transversal. Okay, so for my convenient I am taking names here. Let us consider A, B, it is C, and D, E, F, G. Okay, right? If you observe GCF, angle GCF and angle ACD are vertically opposite angles, isn't it? Look at here, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal, we know that already. So let us write here, it is 105 degrees. Okay, so if it is 105 degrees, this is a straight line. 35 degrees plus 105 degrees plus y degrees is equals to, sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degrees, because these three makes sum of these three angles makes a straight line angle. Okay, a straight angle. Okay, is it clear? Right. So let us solve the problem. So write down here. So let us write first what is given. Given angle ABC is equals to x degrees, and angle BCAR ACB, what we can, both way we can write BCAR ACB given 35 degrees. Okay, and GCF given how much, 105 degrees, and DCE given y degrees. Okay, this is E, DCE y degrees given. Okay, so from the figure what we can write? So angle GCF and angle ACD are vertically opposite angles. From the figure, angle GCF comma ACD are vertically opposite angles. We know that vertically opposite angles are opposite angles are equal. That is, angle GCF is equals to angle ACD. GCF we have 105 degrees. Okay, so 105 degrees is equals to angle ACD. So angle ACD we got 105 degrees. Okay, next from the figure angle BCA plus angle ACD plus angle DCE is equals to 180 degrees, because since straight angle, okay, sum of the three angles is becomes straight angle. So we have BCA already. What is that? 35 degrees plus ACD, just now we got 105 degrees, it is plus what is that? DCE, it is y degrees. We have to find y here. So here it becomes 180. Is it clear? Right. Am I erasing this? Right. So 35 degrees plus 105 degrees plus y is equals to 180. So this becomes 140 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. So y is equals to 180 degrees minus 140. Y is equals to 40 degrees. Is it clear? Now we got y equals to 140 degrees, and look at the diagram once. Right. So these two are parallel lines. Okay. If I extend this like this, what you observe here? These are two straight lines and they are parallel, and this is a transversal. Okay. So I will write the diagram. I will take the diagram here. Yeah. Is it like this? Yeah, here it is x degrees and here it is y degrees. Isn't it? So these two are corresponding angles. Okay. These two are corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. So let us write here. From the figure, x degrees comma y degrees are corresponding angles. Okay, that is, yeah, what is the x degrees? Nothing but angle ABC or B or CBA. Both we can write both. Angle ABC is equals to angle DCE. That is equals to how much? DC we got already. That is nothing but y degrees. We got here 40 degrees, isn't it? Right. So angle ABC is also 40 degrees. That is nothing but x is equals to 40 degrees. So what we can write? X is equals to y degree, x degrees is equals to y degrees is equals to 40 degrees. Yeah. I hope you understand the problem. Is it clear? Yes. Right on.